if I told you there's a biological tool out there that's part snorkel, part arm, and part super sensor, all rolled into one amazing package? Today, we're going to unravel the incredible secrets of the elephant's trunk. So how strong is an elephant's trunk? It seems like a simple enough question, right? But oh, the answer is so much cooler than you'd think. It's this amazing story of raw power and, well, surprising gentleness. Let's dive in. All right, to really get to the bottom of the trunk's strength, we kind of have to look under the hood, you know? So what's the secret sauce? Well, it's not bone, it's not cartilage, it's just pure, powerful muscle. Okay, so the fancy term for this is a muscular hydrostat. But what does that really mean? Just think about your own tongue for a second. Or an octopus's arm. They can twist, curl, and move in pretty much any direction they want, right? That's because there are no bones in the way. It gives them this almost infinite range of motion. Okay, now, get ready for this. The entire human body, your whole body, has around 650 muscles. An elephant's trunk, just the trunk, has 40,000. Yeah, that is not a typo. 40,000. It's like comparing a little Bluetooth speaker to a massive, full-on stadium sound system. It's just not even in the same league. Seriously, just let that number sink in for a second. 40,000 individual muscles all working together in perfect harmony, and that incredible complexity is the secret. It's the key to how the trunk can have both that raw brute strength and that super delicate precision. And this is where things get really fascinating. We get to this, well, it's almost a paradox, right? This one single tool is built for two totally opposite jobs, absolute brute force, and then the most delicate, gentle operations imaginable. I mean, just look at this contrast. On one hand, you've got the trunk uprooting small trees, rolling boulders around, crazy stuff. But then, that exact same tool can gently pick up a single tiny coin from the ground. Or, get this, a tortilla chip, without breaking it. How on earth is that even possible? Well, scientists are curious people, right? So some folks at the Bewley Zoo wanted to figure that out. They designed this really clever experiment. They built a special sensor box, and the reward system was apples, of course. Every time an elephant pinched one of the sensors with the very tip of its trunk, it got an apple. And hey, the harder it pinched, the more apples it got. Smart. So through this awesome little apple-based experiment, they were actually able to measure the pinching force of those tiny finger-like tips right at the end of the trunk. And the result? A surprisingly precise 33 newtons of force. Okay, so 33 newtons. That might not sound like a lot, but to give you some perspective, that's roughly the same strength you'd use in a firm handshake. Think about that. It's gentle enough to, say, brush a speck of dust from another elephant's eye, but it's still strong enough for a really precise, confident grip. But here's the kicker. Remember, that's just the tip. When the elephant brings the entire trunk into play, whoa, that force just skyrockets. We're talking about the ability to lift up to 350 kilograms. That's like lifting a small motorcycle. So you've got the finesse of a handshake and the power of a small crane, all in one single incredible tool. And you know what? Lifting is only part of the story. It's not even close to the whole thing. The trunk is also a super-powered suction device and, maybe most impressively, an absolutely unparalleled scent detector. Okay, first, let's talk suction. An elephant can suck up almost 10 liters of water. That's like 5 big soda bottles in just a couple of seconds. Then it can either curl its trunk up to its mouth for a big drink or just spray it all over its back for a nice, refreshing shower. How convenient is that? And get this, the speed of the air moving through that trunk can hit 150 meters per second. To put that in perspective for you, that is 30 times faster than a human sneeze. 30. It's a legitimate biological superpower, no exaggeration. But honestly, the trunk's most mind-blowing feature might just be its sense of smell. Elephants have nearly 2,000 genes just for smelling stuff. That's more than any other animal that's ever been studied. It gives them, and this isn't an exaggeration, arguably the best sense of smell in the entire animal kingdom, period. So what does that actually mean in the real world? Well, it means the trunk is basically their map, their phone, and their survival kit all rolled into one. They can use it to smell water holes from miles and miles away. They can recognize their friends just by their unique scent. They've even been trained to sniff out dangerous explosives. It's unbelievable. And you know, all of this power, this precision, this incredible sense of smell, It all leads to one final and maybe the most touching role of the trunk. It's not just a tool for staying alive, it's a tool for connection, for emotion, for communication. Elephants really do use their trunks to speak without words. They'll intertwine them in this beautiful gesture of affection. It's basically an elephant hug. They'll touch each other for comfort and reassurance, like a hand on the shoulder. And they use all these different gestures to signal warnings or to guide the rest of the herd. It's literally a physical extension of their deep social bonds. So let's go back to our original question. How strong is an elephant's trunk? Well, it's strong enough to uproot trees, but it's also gentle enough to pick a single flower. It's sensitive enough to map out the entire world through touch and smell. It's really the ultimate proof that true power isn't just about roaring and brute force. Sometimes it's about having the intelligence and the sensitivity to know exactly how and when to use it.